I'm with Richa from American Express, who's the Vice President of Credit and Fraud Risk. So, hi Richa, thank you so much for joining us here at Cypher 2024. How has your experience been so far?
It's been fantastic. I attended a couple of sessions yesterday. I attended the Digi Yatra session in the morning today, which was super impressive. I was very amazed to know how far the technology has come in India in terms of implementation. I just delivered a session, my keynote for American Express. Very different experience. Probably one of the largest audience that I've spoken to externally, and excellent experience speaking to everyone.
And I saw after the session, a lot of people were asking you a lot of questions.
Yeah.
And how has the experience been connecting with people here?
No, it's been great, and I was speaking to this gentleman who wanted to understand how to think about alternative means of underwriting. It's probably a problem that every single modeler is grappling with. I had a lot of people worried about fair lending, privacy type concerns, and it looks like everybody in the industry is in the middle of solving the same type of problems.
Yeah.
And I was actually, as I was speaking to them, I was realizing how advanced American Express is in the journey that we've had since 2014, 2013, since we started experimenting with the machine learning models, and how far we've come.
Yeah.
So, very humbling experience to speak to everyone today.
So the topic of your session was about the importance of state-of-the-art data and analytics
Yeah.
at American Express.
Yeah.
So can you tell me a little bit about how American Express is using analytics and data? On the surface, I know you can't go into the depths as well.
Yeah. No, I mean, my talk was primarily about how we are using technology, data, and analytics to power some of the decisions for our organization. It was focused on international markets. The reason we were talking about international markets, number one, because I represent them, and number two, it's one of the fastest growing business unit. And the reason we chose this topic was because just the company has grown exponentially in the last few years, and it's needed us to take a step back and understand what exactly is powering our growth.
Yeah.
And credit and fraud risk as an organization is actually considered the brains of the company. It takes a part in every single decision which happens, and the idea was that through the talk we're able to illustrate how we are innovating, driving growth in an era right now where all the traditional means of underwriting can no longer play that same role that they have been playing for us in the past, right? So what exactly have we done differently in the last 3 years, without revealing too much? How we are able to power growth for the company using machine learning and AI.
Yeah. So, and apart from American Express as well, what is the most exciting or innovative use case of analytics and AI or as well have you seen in the recent years, like the last 2 years or 3
Well, I
years?
mean, I don't think there's anything which can beat UPI in India. It's just fascinating. I resisted using UPI for a very long time. I don't know why I did, but it's just like it's completely transformed our lives. And I think that it's brought a lot of power back in the hands of people in India. And I think it's already been a game changer.
Yeah. A lot of companies are now trying to adopt that model.
And I mean, also the fact that now these people are using digital means to pay, and I'm sure very soon people will start monetizing this technology to see how we could actually now start creating further value for all the masses which are using the technology. So it's a very exciting space to be in. And let's see what happens now
Yeah,
in the future.
definitely. And thank you so much for coming here, Richa. And I hope you're looking forward to more sessions as well and interacting with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.